In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new column/field in Airtable. Let's walk through this step by step so you can confidently expand your table. First, head to the Airtable website or open the Airtable app. Make sure you're connected to the internet so your changes sync without any issues. Next, sign in to your Airtable account. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verifier ready so you can get in smoothly. Once you're signed in, open the base that contains the table you want to modify. A base is like a project file, and each table inside it is a sheet with its own columns and rows. Click into the specific table where the new field should live. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct view so you don't add a column to the wrong place. Now, scroll to the far right side of the table. If you have many columns, use the horizontal scroll bar or trackpad gestures to reach the end. You'll see a small plus button immediately after the last column header. Click that plus button to start creating your new field. A dialog will appear prompting you to name the field. Choose a clear, consistent name that describes the data you'll store. Good naming helps with filters, grouping, and formulas later on. After naming it, select the field type. This choice determines how Airtable stores and validates your data. For example, pick single-line text for short labels, long text for notes, number or currency for calculations, date for schedules, checkbox for simple yes or no values, and single or multiple select when you need predefined options. You can also choose attachment for files, collaborator for assigning people, formula for calculated values, or link to another record when you're building relationships between tables. If the field type offers options, configure them now. This might include decimal places and formatting for numbers, date and time formats, allowed choices for select fields, default values, or whether empty values are permitted. Setting these options up front keeps your data clean and consistent. When everything looks good, click Create Field or Save. Airtable will add the new column to your table immediately. You can now start entering data into that column. Type directly into cells, paste from a spreadsheet, or rely on formulas if you chose a calculated field. As you begin, stay consistent with your chosen format, so sorting, filtering, and reporting work perfectly. And that's it. You've added a new field to your Airtable table, fully configured for the data you need.